I am going to this quickly disclaimer. I believe there are good and bad teachers and parents just across the board. But at the same time, we have to understand that there's not a lot of research onto families. And very often families are faced with lack of support. You have to be really, 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 really poor to have support. And because of that, working class families are often living from paycheck to paycheck, making really horrible choices about where they live and what food they put into their bodies, including their children's. They buy cheap toys that can have lead contamination. And they're faced with now a growing problem that hardly anyone talks about, which is microplastics. Microplastics actually are very harmful in the neurodevelopment of children. We're starting to understand. We are, because they're doing research into animals about how the microplastics are influencing the development of animal youth. But the reality that we are now coming to terms with is, because of all these problems in our society, whether you like it or not, we're going to face a larger population of neurodivergent kids who are going to be in the classrooms. But because our birth rate is so low, actually, we may have a different situation that may occur for teachers, where the classrooms actually might be smaller, but the odds of those neurodivergent kids in the classroom will still be high. So their classrooms will be small, and a neurotypical is not going to be the norm anymore. So how are we going to face that problem? It's not funny. It's not. I'm just laughing from stress.